Hello friends, welcome to the fifth tutorial. So in this tutorial we will be populating these results which are appearing in the real-time database in the browser. We will be displaying here. So let me go back to the code editor and show to you. First of all, go to app.vue file, and in the script section we will be importing the reference to the database, that is which is declared in the firebase.js file namesref. Just import that namesref from Firebase. After importing this, we will be using this. So just below the data section, declare the Firebase property. In that Firebase property, we will be making a new variables of names, and we will be equal to namesref. So here names is holding the reference to the array here. So we will be populating these results with the help of for loop. So in the HTML part, declare a new div which will be holding our, sorry, just delete this, we don't need it. This is the end tag of div here. So apart from that, we need a second div which will hold the actual results for us. So let me just align this perfectly. So in this div, I will be having a unordered list, and that on unordered list I will be having a list items. So in this list item I will be binding a for loop v for. So let me assign a variable person name in names array. It also takes a key variable, which is, it is a v bind, that is, if we bind the key here, it is a short form basically. So key is equal to person name, and this will be in single quotes dot key. You have to write it similarly to get, you can see here the error is gone here. We are just for looping in this names array. This is the index here, person name is the index. So we have just binded that index with this key attribute. This key attribute is very much important. You have to attach this key attribute. So in the allies I will be printing out person name in string interpolation expression. So if I just save this and let me go to the local host here and inspect element, and let me see why it is not working. Let me refresh this first of all. So you can see here I have got all the keys here. These are the keys here. Edit is equal to false, name, there is a certain amount of key that is available here, and now I just want the name. So what can I do here is that I can write here person name dot name, and if I just save this and if I just refresh this, you will see all the names will be populated. John Cena, Jeff Goldblum. So these are all the names here. So these are appearing right next to each other. So I just want to go to the style section and just change that. This is the ally section here. Change the display property, remove this display property, and save that, and you will see that it will be appearing right next to after each other. You can see here John Cena, Jeff Goldblum. So this is, guys, that we have successfully printed out the names. So I can write here any name here. Let's suppose Jeff Hardy. Add it. So now you can see here all the names are populating. John Hardy. You can see here all the names are populated. So in this video I have successfully populating these names in the browser. So thank you very much. In the next video we will be attaching buttons for removing removing these texts. So I will be seeing you in the next video.